Hello friends, welcome back to In It All Is Art. My name is Angela and this is part 6 in a series of potion making videos that I have been offering for Summerween 2026. So I thought I'd make a nice little batch of wool of bat. And it says rehydrate bat's wool in warm milk. I like the little label, I think it's adorable. And I've got some old steel wool and I'm just gonna kind of break that up and tuck it down in. We'll get these little loose ends. To enhance it a little bit, I thought I would use the rest of this microfine sparkles glitter. I'm going to darken that just a little bit with some black food coloring. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I do hope you enjoy. Let's do one more drop of that. I am so excited for this witchy apothecary bookshelf makeover that I'm planning for Halloween 2026. I am creating all of these potions for that bookshelf makeover, and please do, if you feel so inclined, subscribe and hit the notifications and keep your eye out for that video when it comes out, probably mid-August, I'm thinking. So I took a look around, and one of the things I found was this kind of wire embellishment that I use in my paintings. They have a really fun texture when they're stretched. So I'm just going to stretch some of that out and tuck those down in there as well. I like how these pick up the light. That's filling that out nicely. I'm not going to worry about that cork being glued in. The sealing wax will seal the lid on there. I don't have to worry about evaporation, and I don't have to worry about spillage with this particular potion bottle. I think I'm going to also come in with some mica powder just to add a little more texture to the inside. And this mica powder has a nice silvery color to it, so that will be beautiful in there. I wondered if it would coat the entire thing, and it did. But thankfully you can still see a good portion of it, and that actually kind of adds to the mystery. For those of you who are new here, I do encourage you to check out the Cooking and Craft Chicks channel. She has a video that is specifically about tips and tricks for making potion bottles, and I have learned much of what I am doing through watching her channel. I like this angle being open so you can kind of see some of that steel wool. Get a nice seal for that cork. There's another one done. I'm working on completing the potions that won't have batteries in them because the battery project is quite intensive and I want kind of a fresh slate for that. So this potion is just moon water. I really love that label, but I think instead of sticking it on the jar, I want to put it on a backing and tie it to the bottle. 1 to 2 tablespoons of glycerin. We'll just work with just a little bit of color to start. Then use some mylar. I'm going to leave them kind of loose and airy, and I think that looks pretty cool. It interacts in a really neat way with that mica powder as the mica powder is mixed up. But I think for the moon water, I want it to be more of a flowing feel. And then I added at the bottom some beads, some turquoise beads, moonstone, just to add a little something down there. I love how that loose mylar just kind of picks it up. What a treat to get such an indigo blue in that. So we dry the inside. My hope is that that will pop off of there once they're nice and cool and dry. I'm gonna wait a good little amount of time before I do that,